Every time you eat food, your body begins an amazing journey. A journey that turns food into energy, strength, and life. This process happens inside your body every single day without you even noticing. It is called the human digestive system. The digestive system breaks down the food we eat, absorbs useful nutrients, and removes waste from the body. In this video, we will follow the path of food and understand how digestion works step by step. Digestion begins in the mouth. Teeth break food into smaller pieces, making it easier to swallow. At the same time, saliva mixes with the food. Saliva contains enzymes that start breaking down carbohydrates. The tongue then shapes the food into a soft ball called a bolus and pushes it toward the throat. The food enters the esophagus, a long muscular tube. Here, food is moved downward by wave-like muscle contractions called peristalsis. No digestion takes place in the esophagus. It only transports food to the stomach. The stomach is a strong muscular organ. It stores food and mixes it with gastric juices. These juices contain hydrochloric acid and enzymes that break down proteins. The stomach churns the food until it becomes a thick liquid called chyme. This acidic environment also helps kill harmful bacteria. The small intestine is where most digestion and absorption occur. It receives digestive enzymes from the pancreas and bile from the liver. These substances help break down fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. The inner walls of the small intestine are covered with tiny finger-like structures called villi. Villi absorb nutrients and send them into the bloodstream, providing energy to the body. After nutrients are absorbed, the remaining material enters the large intestine. Here, water and salts are absorbed back into the body. Helpful bacteria live in the large intestine and help produce important vitamins. The remaining waste slowly becomes solid. The solid waste is stored in the rectum. When the body is ready, it is removed through the anus. This completes the digestive process. The human digestive system works continuously to keep us healthy and energized. Eating a balanced diet, drinking enough water, and including fiber-rich foods help keep digestion smooth. Take care of your digestive system, and it will take care of you. Thank you for watching.